Hello? Uh. Udah mimpi Amun? Amun? Ah! Sophie, kau excited tak?
Boleh dah.
Find Survivor. Okay, kita baca dulu. Okay, Shares the Phantom Together is a narrative co-op horror game where each episode unveils a short story told by the ones who survive. You are playing the first episode, but I'm too tired to make another multiplayer game.
Pula.
Alah, mungkin satu-satunya face to face punya co-op tu. Tapi tak apa. Okay lah, better than nothing. Dia kata masih tengah tunggu. Oh, okay. Oh, tu kau. Yes. Cuba tengok profile aku dia semat tu. Rasa suara aku jadi pecah dalam game ni.
Suara macam kamera zaman dulu.
Ya dah, suara kau pun sama tu. Ya, aku suka lah game ni. Aku suka game ni.
Start. Tekan sekali je.
Oh, kau tekan tak? Ya. Loading, yes! First game kita. Oh, kena pilih. Kau nak jadi apa?
Nila.
Okay, aku Marcus. Okay, Marcus ni. Space. Finally. Selalu kau tengok aku main aku share screen kan. Kali ni kau akan merasai apa yang aku merasai selama ni. Alamak, still loading for other survivor lah. Bila tengok loading, aku cakap sesuatu ni. Face to Phantom together. Episode 1. Scratch Creek. Hello Sophie, kau ada? Tak ada lagi. Sini tak ada lagi. April 30. To whoever is reading this, pardon my writing ability. It's okay. My girlfriend Tess recently played your game. I could help but notice the chilling similarities between one of the episodes and what happened to us. She persuaded me to write to you from my perspective as well, as it would increase the chance of the developer noticing this story. I will try to keep the information about our personal life to a minimum. Back in our early days, when we were living together, I have a job offer, which I initially thought I would have to turn down since it required me to move to another state. But Tess was adamant that I accept the offer, knowing how hard I had worked for it. She was ready to move out with me. We did not have much furniture, which meant it was a one-way drive with the trailer. Alright, okay. Hello? Spray. Yo. Wait, saya kat mana ni? Graphic, microphone, English. Okay. Nampaknya aku tak boleh ni. Aku tak ada setting aku punya sensitivity aku tak ada setting. Tapi tak apa. Aku buat host. Panjang ke? Yo, sematnya. Semat tu. Untuk ini sini. Hello? Smile. G, okay. Macam aku kena throw. Okay. Aku kena pindah. Okay. Sophie, where are you? Door was locked from the inside. Hello? Oh, okay, aku boleh buka dari sini. Okay, so far. Hello?
Woi.
Ni kau. Oh, kau buat barang. Aku tak tahu apa aku kena buat. I have to converse.
Alright, car's done.
Suara dango tadi.
Oh, kita kena interact.
You ready to start loading?
Kau ready tak? Nak pindah.
Let's knock out the heavy stuff first, right? Couch, TV, big boxes in the hall so we can balance the weight in the trailer. We'll toss in the lighter stuff last.
Okay.
Wow.
We got 2, maybe 3 hours of good light left. Should be enough time if we move quick.
Marcus, it's almost 6.
Yeah,
We were supposed to leave this morning.
I know. Washing the car took longer than I thought. We'll make up time on the road.
I'm just gonna text Dad and see if we can leave tomorrow morning.
Tess, please don't do that.
I'm just saying it might be easier to.
Ooh, we're already behind. If we push it to tomorrow, we lose the whole day.
Wait. Jap.
Gelap.
Ask him if that makes you feel better, but I know what he's going to say.
What the heck?
Ni. Tangkap. Tangkap. Ready 1, 2, 3. Aduh, slow kau.
Tak dapat pun.
Ni, bawah ni. Pick up tekan nanti catch. Tekan G.
Okay.
Nampak aku.
Mana? Aduh. Set.
Ha, nampak.
Oh.
Okay, ready. Okay, left click. Okay, ready.
Left click? Okay.
Hana do set. Alah.
Tak dapat pun.
Okay.
Lagi.
Aim. Yang atas sikit.
1, 2, 10.
Alah, aku tak dapat. Okay, aku aim atas sikit. Okay. 11, 12, 13.
Tak dapat. Ui. Tak dapat
Kau mau pro player. Allah tak apa.
Sis. Payah.
Dah. Jom. Kau kena bawa masuk dalam ni. Dalam van depan tu. Nampak tu? Nampak truck depan tu kan? Tu.
Mana?
Nampak depan tu kan?
Nampak.
Okay, kita nak.
Yo, nampak.
So, story kita nak pindah.
Okay,
so cari apa barang. Mana? Oh, hello. Okay, kita kena cari apa-apa barang yang boleh interact, bawa masuk dalam truck. Jam block.
Baik, bos. Kuat je.
Oh,
Dia
you're
macam
actually doing it.
Yahoo.
Yeah, had to happen sometime, bro.
Siapa tu?
I thought you two were supposed
Oh.
to leave this morning, though.
Nate.
Nate.
Ni.
Nanti beruk. Packing
Yeah,
take too long.
packing took longer than expected. You know how mornings go.
Fair enough. How much more you got?
Almost done. Just started the loading.
You guys good? Excited?
Excited? Yeah.
Yeah, ready to go, bro. Just want to
Let's
get moving at
go.
this point. It's getting late.
He said the painting crew is coming first thing tomorrow morning. We need to clear everything out.
I figured he would shoot it down.
Okay.
All right, then. Let's start with the couch in bigger boxes, then work our way to the back.
Yo, last night was fun, man. We gotta do that again.
100%, bro. Next time we're
100%.
back.
Next time.
Right. Well,
Next
if you
time.
need a hand with anything?
We're fine.
Hmm.
Thanks, though.
Okay. I was just running to Alice's. Peace out, homie.
Peace out,
Oh,
homie.
my audio gear's boxed up in the basement. Can't forget that.
What the heck?
I'll
Sophie,
miss you too.
Mun. There.
What the heck? Weh, jangan siram-siram aku.
So, kotak aje. Cari semua kotak. Tap.
Okay, gotta be careful with this one. Let's go. You good over there?
Kat mana?
Bawah.
Bawah macam dia turun. Oh ni.
Hello.
Oh sini. Gelap je. Tak ada torchlight. Okay, apa?
Hello.
Oh ni. Ni okay. Sekejap aku nak tengok.
Wish, kau ketuk.
Ni apa bodoh?
Wow. Rasa macam
Tengok spam. Hello, buka pintu.
kalau kau angkat seorang tak boleh.
Tak boleh. Berat ni.
Weh, gentleman mah.
Berat je. Tengok ni.
Lemah.
Kau angkat.
Weh, mana boleh. Kita orang goyang kaki je.
Alah. Ini Inilah, nampak?
No.
Semua nak bagi laki buat. Aduh. Siapa depan, siapa belakang ni? Ish, rasa kau.
Aku depan.
Cuba kau tengok aku. Bongkok-bongkok dah. Kanan lah. Kiri. Aduh, lepas pula. Hold lah.
Sabarlah.
Macam ni. Biar aku depan lah. Aduh. Boleh. Okay, boleh pun.
Alah, banyak bunyi lah kau ni.
Perlahan.
Dah.
Naik lah atas. Kita nak bawa masuk tu, katrak tu.
Aku tak ingat mana.
Situ.
Mana?
Okay, sini. Okay, biar aku depan pula. Biar aku depan. Tadi pusing tu.
Macam patah pinggang kalau kau tengok dari perspektif aku.
Lama aku tengok kau. Itu.
Aduh, betul lah. Aku rasa aku kena record
Itu kalau perspektif aku tu, kau patah, kau jadi tercabut tu. Okay. Apa letak situ letak? Siapa susun macam ni? Susun elok Aduh. Okay.
Belakangnya, ya Allah.
Okay dah.
Betul.
Kau kat mana?
Aku atas van.
Kau Weh, what the heck? Lompat. Aku tangkap. Aku tangkap.
Boleh lompat.
Boleh lompat. Lah.
Tu aku pecah
Game ni first time game ni boleh lompat weh. Wah, ini aku senang aku nak lari nanti. Turun lah.
Ya, aku pergi angkat barang. Aku duduk atas ni jaga.
Cih. Bosi. Okay, tak apa, kau drive Kau drive. Aku bawa suruh.
Boleh.
Okay, aku angkat barang, kau drive.
Boleh.
Ada satu barang lagi, which is ni. Okay, satu je. Okay.
Bapak tak nak bawa ke?
Okay, formation. Moon dia tak pandai, dia pandai buat kereta tapi tak pandai parking.
Hey. Oh, nak bawa balik pipe ke?
Mana ada pipe, tinggal lah, buat apa nak bawa. Tu kita tinggal. Sofa ni kena bawa tau.
La ilaha illallah.
Aduh.
Tak apa.
Wait, ini dah satu lagi barang berat ni. Sofa.
Sofa pun nak angkut.
Boo?
Bu.
Hey, I need you over here.
What?
Kau tak nampak aku ke?
The other end, I got this side.
You could have just said grab the couch.
That's what I just
Dengar
said.
tu.
Betul-betul lah.
Betul lah ni.
Kau tak center, macam mana nak keluar? Alah. Betul lah.
Payahnya.
Tukar.
Pintu.
Kau masuk dalam.
Jauh betul kau pusing. Kau punya dia tahu lompat.
Dalam rumah tak boleh lompat. Janganlah pijak jadi berat lagi. Tak boleh rotate benda. Nampak. Kau boleh nampak aku juga yang kena ni. Aduh.
Okay, fine.
Tak boleh lompat lah. Cepatlah, berat ni. Aduh, berat je.
Angkat elok tu.
Kau lah elok. Aku dah bawa masuk ni. Aduh, bersepah. Siapa susun meja macam ni? Aduh. Tak apa. Aduh, benda lah.
Masukkan sofa dulu. Payah.
Tak, okay. Sekarang ni susun dulu. Tak, susun dulu.
Aku nak keluarkan.
Aduh.
Aku nak keluarkan.
Tak. Okay, aku rasa.
Nak keluar dulu.
Okay, bawa keluar dulu barang kecil-kecil.
Bla.
Okay, sofa ni alih dulu.
few inches later.
Okay, kotak last. Aku rasa
Wih.
ada lagi ke? Jom tengok apa lagi. Apa lagi kita kena angkut.
Angkut je pintu gambar semua kau bawa je. Ni TV Samsung. Tengok ni. Tengok ni.
Samsung. Ini bukan TV tu, ini peti ais tu. Okay. Aku bawa oven.
Aduh. Berat ni.
Nampak? Alright.
Allah.
So tak ada interaction lagi. So aku rasa ada lagi. Is it? Ni.
Kenapa?
Tadi kau macam ni lah. Nampak?
Ya.
Okay, so kita duduk. Ni. Okay. Interaction. Duduk. Ui, ni kerusi.
That's everything.
Kerusi virgin.
Okay.
Oh.
Still a suitcase in the garage. I'll grab it and toss it in the trunk.
Okay.
Okay.
Where's the bag with our passports and documents?
Already in the trunk.
Oh, so kita melintas
You put
negara
it in
ke?
there?
Canada.
This morning.
Good. Okay. I'll get the suitcase.
Jauh ni kita pindah.
Okay, so aku kena pergi ambil ni. Oh, dia kata kat garage. Wow, jap. Right click. Kita tekan right click.
Kenapa?
Oh, tekan right click untuk kita nak tengok barang apa kita nak. Okay. Tekan right click. Kalau contoh aku aku tengok. Kalau aku right click, ni aku dia tunjuk aku kena ambil ni. Kau cerita kat right click, kau kena buat apa? Ada dia tunjuk kena apa? I put the suitcase in front.
Alright, that's everything. We're good to go.
Dah, tak right click apa? Jom.
Boo?
Kita boleh pergi.
What's going on with you?
Bu, kenapa Bu?
You've been off. Don't tell me it's nothing. Is this about yesterday?
Main. Ni sebab
Yes.
semalam ke? Semalam.
I said I'm fine, Marcus.
Look,
Wih,
I already
boleh
told you.
usah lah.
What I said at Jake's came out wrong. That's not how I meant it. I need you to talk.
Hello.
There's nothing to
Wow.
talk about right now.
Is it the move? Because if it is, listen, you don't have to come. It's my job, it's my thing. If you're not ready,
Stop.
I'm
Oh,
serious.
stop.
It's not too late to.
I said stop.
Then what is it?
Can it just not
Dah,
be
dah.
right now?
Okay.
Dia kelakar lah kereta semasa ni.
Jom.
Apa dia suruh apa ni?
Jom. Nak masuk kereta, kita nak gerak dah. Okay, siapa nak drive?
Aku duduk atas.
Okay.
Lah, bro je. Okay.
Aku drive. Alright.
Pandai ada. Foundation nak kau.
We made good time on
Pandai.
loading.
Aku lesen
Better
L.
than I thought.
Sis. Dia guna apa? Dia guna calculator main game ni.
Betul. Buka radio, jom. Yeah. Let's go.
Bawa lelok tu.
Hey.
Gila lah. Tukar.
I know I should let Tessa drive. Okay lah, fine. Bawa lah kau.
Wey.
Tak adalah. Tadi aku lupa US ni kena duduk belah kanan.
Jangan dia tekau. Kira.
Jom gerak. Betul ke jalan ni? Ke masuk belah kanan ni? Kita main jalan tak tahu objektif kat mana ni. Okay, betul. Hello? Oh, tak ada. Kau drive.
No. Aku. Oh, sorry though.
Boleh elok Oh, Northport. Kita sampai Northport.
Northport.
Should be about 4 hours from here if traffic stays clear.
Direction. Enter.
You hungry? We can stop somewhere after we hit the city.
Kau tekan apa ni? Untuk direction ni? Oh, ni. Hey, kau sabar. Straight. Okay, aku di GPS. Tak apa. Jangan risau, aku ada GPS.
Apa dia?
Aku ada GPS.
Okay, fine.
Sabar okay. Tak apa, jangan
Okay
dengar.
lah.
Aku buka radio. Okay, straight je. Laju lah sikit
Tak
selalunya.
dengar radio tu. Ini je laju yang aku boleh buat
Ayah aku cakap dengan aku lah. Don't leave too late you two. Keep me update Marcus. Sekarang aku 7 tu. 7.44. Maghrib dah.
New place has a decent kitchen there.
Kanan.
Dad said it was recent.
Ke kanan. Masya Allah. Janganlah kanan tajam sangat. Easy.
It looks nice.
I thought we could use the second bedroom as an office.
Bayar bawa.
You know, like a real one. We'll set up your desk under the window so you can catch the morning light. I know it helps you when you're writing.
Sure.
Di mana aku? Di mana? Lah.
You were looking at PCs?
Aduh, tengok jam. Kau
Ni,
tengok. Kau
apa
pandang belah kanan. Kau tengok belah
Something
kanan.
good enough for both of us. Maybe some games here and there, you know.
When were you looking at
Aku
PCs?
tak boleh pedas
Oh,
malam-malam.
you know, just
Rabun.
here and there.
Bacot lah. Kecoh lah kau. Aduh. Okay. So kau okay. Satu lagi dekat.
Okay, belok kanan.
Ya. Dekat sini. Kanan slow, kiri laju.
Kiri laju. Belum. Lambat lagi.
Weh, bawa ada 50 je duk kat highway.
Ya.
Diorang MPH. Lupa lah. Kita KMH. Tepi. Dia tak bagi kita potong tu. Slow lah. You know what? Kita potong.
Weh.
Oh, ni jalan kita.
Cute.
Kita ikut lane kanan lah pergi. Alah selalunya lah kita ni.
Oh.
Pergi mana ni? Kanan
Jap, terkeluar pula. Kanan.
Kau jangan. Tepi. Slow lah.
Ya Allah.
Race.
Ya Allah.
Potong.
Kau tak ada lesen.
8 malam. Alright guys, are you ready? Oh okay, aku drive. What the heck? 8 malam.
Apa tu?
Hello. Yeah. Aku drive. Last aku drive kan. Hey, steering dia keluar aku. Ringannya.
Okay, straight saja. 2.4.
Ayah aku check lah. Alah, aku tak boleh buka chat. Berhenti jap.
Weh, berhenti tengah jalan.
Okay. Kita kat tepi bukit lah sekarang ni.
It's getting really windy out there.
Yeah, I see it.
Muak tutup mulut lah.
Aku.
Interstate's backed up for miles.
Yeah, that's why we cut through.
Everyone was stuck on the interstate and there's not a single car on this road.
Ada rumah belah
One
kanan.
kinda just passed by.
Asal ada banyak buku tumbang.
Marcus!
Apa?
Oh shit.
Oh damn, pokok tumbang weh.
Uish.
You okay?
Aduh.
Yeah.
Tu nak pukul tu.
Yeah, I'm okay.
All right.
Yeah, kena-
What do we do? What do we
Keluar.
do?
Wow.
We move it.
Both of us?
Oh lah.
It's not that big. Between the two of us, we can shift it enough to get through.
Okay.
Repop sorry.
Ramai tu kau ni.
Tak, tengah baca chat. Alah, ayah aku chat. Tengok ni ayah aku chat lagi. Sabar jap. Okay. Kuat sikit doh. Hold doh. Okay, dah. Dah. Aku rasa okey ni. Kita dah buat yang terbaik dah. Dah lah 2 orang je angkat.
Ya.
Angkat sebatang pokok besar tu.
Kelakar lah kalau.
Kau nak drive? Kau drive lah. Kau lah pula. Gila-gila lah.
Baru nak tidur. Pulang muap dah tadi.
Aduh, benda. Alright, let's go.
Kita kanan ke kiri
Kanan, duduk kanan. Kita kat Amerika, bukan Malaysia.
Mereka ya.
Amerika.
Susah siap nak tu steering.
Ada train. Wow,
Buat tengok.
kat atas. Hey. Aduh. Allah, tembus. Allahu Akbar. Apa remote?
Ya, aku boleh undur.
Astaghfirullahalazim. Okey dah. Mana-
Uh-oh.
What is that?
Minyak nak
The
habis.
light on the dash came on.
What?
Light in the dash.
Asal.
Dia kata ada light dekat, ada lampu dekat dashboard menyala.
Oh, begatnya.
Makan tu. Asal berat ni? Ada?
Beratnya.
Kita naik bukit lah.
What the?
Tak aku kita kat belakang.
Bagi dia potong. Hey, jangan kat belakang weh.
Me, dude.
What is this light doing?
No, kita rosak.
Saya berasa ni.
Berhenti kiri. Tak, depan.
Kiri.
Tak, depan tu boleh. Depan tu ada motel. Potong je lah oi.
Potong je lah. Tahu dah ke kiri.
Wah, parking mana? Allah. Depan lagi. Lepas sikit lagi. Dekat stesen minyak tau. Kanan sikit. Bukan stesen minyak, hotel. Kanan. Masuk kanan. Tak boleh.
Tak boleh masuk.
Masalah betul lagi meh. Potong lah. Tu nampak steady ya.
Jesus. What was the deal with that guy?
Alah.
Whoa. Like relax,
relax
bitch.
tu.
Damn.
Aduh. Orang nak bagi potong macam tu pula.
Okay.
Dia manusia.
The lights.
Hey.
What do we do?
It could just be the hill.
The
The engine gets
pokok.
hot.
So it'll go away?
Maybe once we're over the top and it comes out.
Kenapa?
Pokok tu sengit sangat sampai dia nak jatuh dekat jalan. Potong. Kau makan dua. Aku nak kotak dia sekali. Takkan aku nak makan atas meja ni. It didn't go away. Okay. She drove for a few more minutes before we accepted that the car wasn't going to fix itself. I found the Oli shop in the area on GPS. Okay, alright. Mana je?
Nak apa ni? Apa aku ke drive?
Ah.
Kau nak drive ke?
Drive. Aku nak makan. Kita ada pizza.
Lonya.
Pizza.
20 je.
Pizza tak tahu ni pizza apa.
Terus.
Kereta ni rosak. So kita pizza burger.
Tengok
Your
lah.
mother is
Truck
asking
besar
when you take
kereta
Anna.
yang.
Kau dengar suara aku? The damn car overheated. Not sure what we going to do. We found a service PlayStation. Hello?
Hello?
Okay dengar. Okay. Okay. Pasal
Di mana
belakang.
ni?
Tak, kita
Tak boleh dah-
terlajak. Tak apa, biar aku kelajak. Okay.
Aku lupa tak boleh reverse.
Pusing. You turn. Pergi stesen minyak. Stesen minyak.
Mana?
Tak apa, jalan. Pusing je. You turn dulu. Okay, dah betul.
Tak boleh ke kat ni?
Kita sangkut. Tu boleh? Sekejap.
Sabarlah. Kau adjust stress lah.
Biar aku buat. Okay, aku try. Boleh je ni. Skill issue. Masuk. Doakan. Oh dah. Pintu kanan tak mampus lah. Workshop dekat sini tak lagu. Ni kot. Kita kena parking sini kot. Kata dah rosak ni. Ada orang message. Sekejap. Lemas kicuk. Where you at now? The car overheated. Not sure what we're going to do. We found a service station. Gonna see about the car fix. Okay, so kita aku rasa sini kot tempat kita. At this point you might be thinking, car troubles. Classic horror. Except nothing could prepare us for what came next. Hello, ada orang tak? Tak ada orang tu.
Hello?
Bergema. Damn.
Hello?
Ni tu.
There's no one here.
Anybody here?
Frame drop bro.
Boo, the sign says open.
Mana ada?
Someone's gotta be around here.
Aku frame drop.
Man's boss. GL with the move.
Hello?
L has been a disaster.
Sophie sini. Mon. Sini Mon. Mon?
Ya, belakang kau.
Oh ni. Hey! Sini! Right click. Belakang kau. Hey, brightness tu tinggikan sikit boleh tak?
Oh. Dah
Okay.
tinggi dah ni.
Pergi setting. Gamma tu tinggikan sikit.
Dah.
Follow aku. Aduh. Tak boleh biasa orang.
Lah.
Hello? Is it anyone?
Mak kau.
Howdy do. I'm afraid the pumps are all dry tonight.
Kau ni.
Expecting to tinker in the morning though.
Hey, kau ni. Hey!
No one's at the shop. We were just looking for somebody.
Kau cakap dengan dia pula.
Buck actually just got here. Probably off taking a smoke break or something. He does that as soon as he clocks in. Man smokes like a chimney and talks half as much. But like I said, pumps are dry for the night.
You're not here for you're not here
Man,
for
we're
gas.
good on the gas. Look, we were driving, and a red light came on the car dash about 20 minutes back. We were hoping someone here could take a look.
Temperature light?
Maybe. I honestly couldn't tell you.
You folks ain't from around here, huh?
Luffy, reply. Come on, reply. Tunggu hilang pula.
Nah, we're just headed up north, man. New job. Why'd you ask?
No reason. Just don't see a lot of well, nothing. Scratch Creek's a long way from anywhere you could have been headed.
Okay.
Alrighty. I'll come take a look at that car for you.
Kau terkejut sampai terkeluar ke?
Man smokes like a chimney and talks half as much. But like I said, pumps are dry for the night.
Look, we were driving, and a red light came on the car dash about 20 minutes back. We were hoping someone here could take a look.
Temperature light?
Maybe.
No.
I honestly couldn't tell you.
You folks ain't from around here, huh?
Tak. Jawab ah.
Actually, we're just headed up north. He got a new job.
Sal.
Why'd you
Mancing
ask?
je.
No reason. Just don't see a lot of
Alah.
well, nothing. Scratch Creek's a long way from anywhere you could have been headed.
Do.
Okay, sikit skrik. Jauh.
Alrighty. I'll come take a look at that car for you.
Thank you. Follow me.
Thank you so much. Car's in the front. This way.
Follow.
Eh.
Bukan. Mana?
Aduh, cepat
Hell,
doh.
where's my manners? My name's Harold. Harold Sweeney.
Ah.
Y'all
Oh,
can just
nama dia
call me
Harold.
Harry, though. Only Mama calls me Harold.
Marcus.
Harry,
This
kita
is
panggil
my
dia Harry.
girlfriend Tessa.
Mon, bawa sini Mon. Mon.
Y'all are together.
Yeah.
Oh, diikut.
Yeah. Sini. Follow bang.
Interesting match. Brave of you, really.
Kenapa?
Don't see many girls.
Eh, cepatlah.
at
Lambat
their
sikit.
circle.
Ni lah.
Tutup lah radio tu Fazil. Aduh, kau ni buang elektrik.
Alrighty.
Well,
Let's see what's going on here.
Pisang.
So, tell me, how two people different as you get together?
We met in high school.
High school.
I used to do videos for the school's media club, and he did open mics.
Yeah, and
Mon.
she filmed one of my songs,
Mon.
and it kind of started.
Ah,
from
you.
there.
Gigi. Kau
That's
pergi ambil
not what
barang kat
I
dalam
meant.
tu, sumbat dalam kereta. Makanan free.
What do you
Oh,
mean?
je.
Forget about it. I think I can help you out.
No.
Ya ke? Really?
That's my man.
My man.
Told you we'd get help here.
So, what is it?
Yeah. Looks like a coolant leak. You can see it puddling up under the car. I can see it dripping from the radiator hose.
Budi doh, kita tak
Plant may
baik.
have gone bad. But could be the hose
Mana
itself.
ada pinjam.
Either of you notice anything before it died on you?
Ambil susu.
Yeah, it started struggling on the hill. The temperature needle shot up out of nowhere.
Harry,
Harry.
get on up here.
Yes, boss.
Eh, siapa berani?
Ya pakcik, tak ada pakcik. Kita tak curi, kita pinjam. Pinjam je. Serius. Dia tolak aku. Asal dia bawa Harry. Bos, jangan marah dia, bos. Dia buat kerja je. Jangan marah. Okay. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, tak ganggu. Dia tengah gaduh tu dengan bos dia.
Gimana? Kau
Tengoklah orang ni.
So, I took another look.
Apa? Okay.
We can't fix the car.
Huh? What?
What? You said you could fix it.
Yeah, the
Masuk.
engine's in worse shape than I thought. It looks like
Eh,
the head
Pal, bos
gasket is
ni
about to go
tak
out.
bagi dia repair
The
kita
whole
tu.
thing's kind of messed up.
Kan?
God, what do we even do now? We're all the way out here.
It'll be all right,
botak.
folks. Buck is gonna call his old pal Bill. He used to
Bukan
be a mechanic
botak.
here, but retired a few years back. Fella still does some work at his house.
Bodohnya botak. Botak tua.
Are you sure you can't fix it here?
Listen here. Man's told you, we can't help. Harry'll do a little patch job on it.
Aku nak bagi
That'll
sebiji muka
get you
dia. Kau
far
nampak tangan aku
as
ni?
Bill's house. But if you try to get back on the highway, you're looking at a catastrophic engine failure.
Cakap dah lah slow.
Now,
Gotcha, boss.
Mana apa?
Kau dengar misai macam.
Apa? Janji boleh ambil.
Tak apa. Anda kau tak ada repair.
y'all need something?
Nak something. Weh, dia tak boleh ambil barang. Weh, nasib baik aku ambil tadi. Yeah, kita ada beberapa kita ambil. Fine, okay. Dia cakap dia tak boleh repair kereta kita. It's okay. So kita kena pergi jalan depan sikit. Tapi hold a minute Tunggu jap, aku ada orang manggil.
We can't fix the car.
I know. You
Hold
can
on,
fix the
you
car.
said you could take care of
Okay
it.
guys,
Yeah, the
aku jumpa
engine's
tempat sorok
in worse shape.
dengan Mun. Kita boleh sorok dalam trailer. Ui, aku bisik pun dengar tu. Kuat tu. Aku bisik ni.
Dengar doh.
Barai lah. Aku bisik ni.
Hello. Merahnya.
Jauh sikit daripada mic. No, Mun.
Oh.
Psst. Ui, pusik. Aku buat pus terus merah tu. Gerak terus. Sayonara bitches. Kau cakap apa?
Iya ke?
Ui, slow mat. 20 je tu. Boleh bagi 20 fps je tu. Jangan tekan kuat sangat. Dengar betul bunyi cek.
Ya, dengar dari kau.
Allah.
Mana aku tekan kuat. Keyboard ni memang
Oh, keyboard
creamy.
crispy tu, bukan creamy tu. Tu.
Kan? Yang aku rembat ada aku punya tu. Tak ada.
Aku punya bunyi kecek juga, tapi mic aku tak detect lah.
Yes.
Kalau-
Jangan space.
Kalau aku tekan kuat-kuat, dia ni. Dia dengar.
Wow. Tidak sedap didengari.
Tahu tak apa.
Tidak. Keyboard aku ni smooth gila. Macam
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Kami datang mau raya.
Kami alung untuk orang.
Dah.
The morning
Tolonglah,
star sees
tangan
the
aku tak
lies
lepas
you
lagi
spread,
dari.
and his wrath will find you in the end. And I will be the instrument of his wrath myself if you don't get off my porch.
Ma'am, I think you got the wrong idea.
I think you got the wrong idea, man.
You're not from the new temple.
New Temple, what is that, man? We're from
The
New
guy
York.
from the gas station sent us here to talk to one of his friends.
Well then, what do you want?
We
We were told to look for a mechanic named Bill.
yes.
We're having some trouble with our car.
Yes.
Billy boy!
Billy
Someone's
boy.
meeting you at the door.
Boy.
Billy boy!
Dah. Kemo. Kita dah nak keluar daripada
Buck warned me about. Yeah, he called.
berbagai bab.
Folks were stranded and headed my way. I'm guessing that'd be you.
Yes, there will be me.
Yeah, sorry to bother you this late.
The man at the station told us it was probably a coolant leak, then backed out and wouldn't fix it. Could you please take a look, sir?
Macam tengah
Kiri kanan kiri kanan kiri.
nampak apa bang? Tengok tak?
Nampak saya.
The damn thing ain't made to haul a trailer. Engine's hot as hell.
Dia punya mata dia teleskop.
If you're
Oh.
lucky, you've got a coolant leak. If
Oh.
you ain't, it's a blown head gasket and your
Aku
oil's
zoom
turning into
nampak kepala
soup.
botak dia.
Either way,
Kau botak tu,
nothing
dah
we can fix
luar tu.
tonight.
Dia vintage.
Can you at least take a look first?
Itu tak muka dia
Would you
macam.
mind at least giving it a look?
I've been fixing engines
Tadi
longer
kau
than
kan?
y'all been alive.
Huh?
I know what I'm looking at.
Tak record kan.
I can take a look in the morning.
Record.
Belah kau sensor dia lah.
Sir, we don't have
Tadi
anywhere to
kan?
go. What do we...
Weh.
I ain't running a motel here. Now you're welcome to sleep in your car out here if you want.
Oh, hush,
Ada
Bill.
aku
Ya weh.
They
Tak.
ain't
Aku tak
sleeping in
tipu.
no
betul sama tu.
The high power wouldn't have sent
Korang yang
if
tengok ni
we
tak boleh
weren't
tahu
meant to take care of you.
Jangan saman saya.
You're right where you ought to be. Right when you ought to be.
Thank you
Miss
tu.
Julia's got rooms open at her bed and breakfast.
Oh,
She'll
Miss
take you
Julia ada
in.
bilik tu kita.
Who's Miss Julia?
Mana Miss siapa Julia?
Miss Julia?
Yes.
She's just a sweet old lady who runs a bed and breakfast up the hill.
Oh yeah?
Takes in needy folks like yourself.
Ah.
Always has. Travelers, workers, and people who get stranded. Just like y'all. The Great One sends people her way when they need to rest.
Banyak pula cerita. Tak.
Is it like walking distance?
Actually, I'm not sure if this car should even move anymore. Your friend Buck told us it'd be a catastrophic engine failure.
You won't be needing your car to get there.
Take this little trail behind the house. It winds up the hill and leads straight to her parsonage. We'll let her know of your arrival. She'll be waiting with a warm room.
And keep to the trail. No exceptions. You hear me? Don't step off it. Not even once. You won't like what happens if you do.
Oh, Bill, stop scaring them.
Alright.
You'll be fine if you just follow the path. Miss
Okay.
Julia's had folks walk it plenty of times.
Hey, auntie.
It's a straight shot. You'll know it when you
Okay, auntie.
Why don't
Yeah,
you lend
yes,
Miss
Uncle
Julia's guests a
Mr.
flashlight for the night? No sense sending them up in the dark.
Alright.
Fine. Hold on.
Ni bendera apa tu? Mun, kau tahu bendera apa ni?
Scratch Croc. Apa nama game ni?
Scratch Creek. Scratch crop pun boleh. It's okay. Okay, dia nak bagi kita. Oh, dia bagi torchlight. Bagi.
Yang satu ke?
Here.
Okay.
Battery's good. Don't drop it.
Bagi lah.
Ambil lah, kau ambil.
All right, that's enough for tonight. Trail's back there, goes right up the hill.
Oh.
Don't waste time.
Terang.
Aku suruh kepada dia.
Come on now, Charlotte. We're missing our program. You folks better get
Shine
moving.
bright like a diamond. Jangan silau dia. Tukuk.
We're not going up there.
What else are we?
Marcus, look at this place.
See.
Look at all of this
It's just a trail that leads to a bed and breakfast.
that we've never heard of in a town we've never heard of.
Dah, hoi, sini.
And what's the alternative, huh? Sleep in the car?
Maybe, yeah, maybe that's better.
Listen, that lady said,
I don't know that lady. I don't know Bill. I don't know that Harry. I don't know any
Kita
of
kena
these
jalan kaki
people,
lah.
and neither do you. These people are fucking
Nak.
weird.
Seperti yang
Can't you
Kak
see
cakap,
it, Marcus?
aku better tidur dalam kereta.
it's a small town, boo.
Nah lah,
People
relax.
are
Husnuzon lah.
You're seriously fine with this? Two strangers we just met, pointing us down a dark trail, and you're fine with that.
I'm not fine with it.
Oi, ini
I
tak
just
muat tu
don't see
kereta.
another option right now.
Yelah, dia boleh.
There's always another option. You just never want to look for one.
And
torchlight
what
mana?
is that supposed to mean?
It means you just decide and expect everyone to follow. That's what you do.
Mana?
Everyone?
Sekejap kat sini kot.
Hold on. Is this about last night again? You've been carrying this all day.
You told Jake and everyone at the
Okay,
table
betul.
about the new place, the job, the apartment, your studio, all of it. It was always I got this job. I found this place. I'm moving to Washington.
Tessa.
You talked about it like I wasn't even there. Like this was something you were doing, and I just happened to be coming along. I just. I don't know.
Sabar,
I don't want
bapak.
to feel like I'm along for the ride. That's all I'm asking.
I didn't even realize that it was such a big deal. I thought everyone was laughing, and so were you.
Sorry tu.
Listen, you're
Yeah.
not along for the ride.
And stop making decisions like I am.
I hear you, okay? I hear you. But right now, we need to make a decision together. So I'm asking,
Anak!
not telling you, what do you want to do?
Okay, apa yang kau nak buat?
Ada one. Aku nak balik. Aku nak balik.
Get the suitcase.
Aduh.
Oh, apa tu? Asal frame aku drop ni? Mun jangan jauh Mun. Dekat dengan aku. Oh ni.
Hey. I'm sorry about last night. I didn't think about how that sounded.
Dekat F. Dekat F untuk bercakap. Tak ada ya?
Ada pun dah lock.
Oh, tak ada, tak apa. Weh, ni asal rasa macam kita nak pergi ke episod 3 lah. Tempat yang
Rusa.
Rusa.
Rusa tiba-tiba.
Ini macam nak pergi ke Watchtower je. Aduh, jalan dia.
Maybe ini some.
Oh. 9.58, which is 9.60 lah. Sabar jap. Setting jap. Belum pasal. Baru tak ni. Tak ni. Dia kata. The old house sit on the other side of the road. Kita jom. Okay, Moon. Moon! 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 Hai! Belum apa-apa dah hilang. Oh tu kau. Moon. Oh sini. Oh sini. Kau gimana?
Apa gimana? Aku tengok atas pun kau hilang.
Depan, jalan depan. Fikir lah dia. Okay, tengok kiri kanan tarik kereta. Okay, jalan-jalan. Weh, ini tempat dekat Phantom yang tu lah. Depan betul-betul intro.
Stay with us.
Ni intro. Tempat yang kita kat menu.
Okay. Faham.
Let's go.
Tang nak tidur.
Move Max. Sabar ni. Sabar. Is due return tomorrow at 10 AM at Norfolk. Need more time. Reply extra.
I called ahead. Such a sweet woman, isn't she?
Sabar. Bagi kita bercakap.
You poor things. Car giving you trouble on a night like this? Come in. You must be exhausted. Mercy me. I've just been getting your room ready upstairs. Fresh sheets.
Yeah, thank you for having us. We really appreciate it.
Now, are you too hungry?
not
You look like
really.
you haven't eaten.
No, we're okay, actually. Thank you.
I'm Miss Julia, by the way. I don't think Charlotte mentioned.
Marcus, this is Tessa.
Tessa, what a lovely name. You're going to feel right at home here, my dear.
The question is, can we trust you? Alright, Moon.
How much do we owe you for the room?
Yes.
Depends on how long you'll be staying.
Only one night.
One night.
Your friend Bill said he can fix the car in the morning.
For the night, it's $95. Breakfast included, of course. But don't you worry about that now, sweetheart. We'll square away payment in the morning.
95. 90.
Sorry, could we get to our room, please? We're both really tired.
Oh, of course you are. Okay, now, have a seat, sweetheart. Make yourself comfortable. I'll go check on your room and be right back.
Excuse me. Is there a restroom I could use?
Yeah, it's in the back, by the kitchen.
I appreciate it.
Weh, aku kita anda sekejap tau. Nanti kita kencing, okay.
Julia said they were already on the train. Young couple. Girl sounds nervous. Yeah, heard they're toasty. Julia said the boy's black. Another one? That ain't him. Henry, that's the Morning Star, blessing us. He's just what he wants, take it. Notice how road's been busier than it's been in ages? These folks just keep showing up tonight. Anyway.
Apa? Kau borak pasal apa? Hoi. Kau cakap aku hitam. Pahal. Kau pahal. Hei. Kau pahal lah. Hei. Kau tak berhati kau cakap depan aku lah. Kau bisik-bisik belakang-belakang. Hei. Kau gimana? Hei, botak.
Sorry to keep you waiting, my dears. Your room's all ready now. And I think you're going to love it. I went ahead and put you in our majestic suite.
Nanti aku cerita.
But before I
Aku
take
dengar dia
you
borak
out,
apa.
I'd love to show you the parsonage. The grand tour, if you will. It will give you a deeper respect for this majestic house.
Oh,
Ana bilik.
Makcik, dah lah makcik.
This is our parson study. Everything here belonged to someone who lived, worked,
Memanglah ada perempuan. Mana ada perempuan kejam diri?
Jangan tolak dong. Ah.
Masuk. Okay.
This is our majestic suite. I hope it's to your liking. The heat's already set to a comfortable temperature, so you shouldn't feel a chill tonight. The staff put in extra effort this evening to prepare for your arrival, so I hope everything meets your expectations.
Letak luar, towel lu. Apa bag
Oh, and if you need anything at all, press 0 on the telephone.
Apa dia kau cakap?
Though we ask
bag tu
porters to
letak
reserve
dekat,
late night calls
tekatil.
for emergencies only.
Oh,
Mana?
emergency call.
Looks great, man. Thanks
Mana?
for taking care of it.
Lah, tuala tu.
Well then, my
Aku
dears,
call
I'll
je.
leave
Aku tak
you
payah.
two to it. Make
Aku kena
yourselves
call.
at home.
Lah.
Itulah pentingnya dengar apa yang dia
Oh,
borak.
and let's behave ourselves tonight,
Kan
all
kosong kan?
right?
Ah.
I
Kan
didn't
kosong
notice
kan?
any
Yes,
rings,
yes.
so we've made sure there are separate beds for each of you. Folks at
Aku
Old
ingat
Scratch
tekan
Temple
call
like to make sure
untuk
people
untuk emergency,
keep
tapi punya boleh
themselves
untuk
pure.
anything.
Oh,
I'm
tidak.
sure you understand.
Aku nak tekan sambut. Fa.
Tak apa, aku edit masuk.
Don't worry, we'll keep it as pure as snow, ma'am.
Well, good then.
Oh, sorry.
Cepat,
Do you mind if we get the room key?
Oh, sweetie. I'm afraid a house this old doesn't have keys for each room. Just so you know, the door locks itself. But if you both get locked out, we'd need to come by with the skeleton key. We do charge $20 for the trip. Happens more than you'd think. So figured I'd mention the charge.
Ui, banyak charge tu.
Could we have the skeleton key?
Can we get the skeleton key then?
My word, I can't give you the skeleton key.
Why?
It unlocks every door in the house. Not that you two would go snooping, but you can never be too careful.
I mean, it's fine. Yeah, we're
Cuci tangan
just
orang
crashing for a
kencing.
few hours.
That reminds me. Before you two step downstairs and
Asal skin aku gelap.
Kau cuci tangan. Okay, nanti aku kena bagi kau tengok ni.
seem like the kind who would break.
Kenapa skin aku gelap? Tak nampak.
Kau tengah cuci tangan.
Okay.
Tu, dah habis.
Alah.
Lama je aku cuci tangan.
Aku ambil uduk ni.
I think I need a bath. I feel disgusting after that hike.
Yeah. I'll go after you.
Kau pergi mandi dulu.
On this episode of Kitchen Frights, we fly over to Cincinnati, Ohio,
Jangan nak badan
where
kejap.
an old couple has begun to notice that customers are starting to complain about the quality of food.
There's a rat in this
Dah penuh
sandwich.
ke air panas?
No, there isn't.
Yes, there is. It's right here, clear as day.
You do not know what you are talking about.
You're feeding people rats. This is crazy, man. You're insane.
Sometimes I just think people don't know a good thing when they see it. You know? They just like to complain and complain and complain. Ain't that right, honey?
Yes.
Okay, there is sewage
Apa
coming
yang
from
dia
these
buat?
sinks. Have you checked your plumbing yet?
Yes, I did. I fixed it
Kau
myself.
mesti dah.
This looks like shit. You can't be washing dishes here.
Washing dishes? Why would we do that?
Because you would be serving people food on plates that are filthy. Man, are you nuts?
Hey, you can't go wrong with a little Clorox wipe to clean them plates with.
What the hell is wrong with you?
There is nothing wrong with it. People do not need to know.
Everyone will know. You're on.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Hi, sorry to bother you, ma'am. My girlfriend's in the bathroom and there doesn't seem to be any towels in there.
Yeah, tak ada toilet.
I see. Bobby must have forgotten again. That boy.
I was wondering if someone could bring some up.
Oh,
Dengar.
the staff's called it a night, I'm afraid.
Huh?
They've had a long night already, my dear. I'd hate to wake them for anything short of an emergency.
Habis tu?
I understand, but
And a missing towel wouldn't qualify, I'm afraid.
so what should we do?
What should we do?
If it's something you need right now, you'll have to help yourself.
Huh?
All the laundry for the parsonage and church is kept in the basement of the temple.
Basement?
Just out back.
The church?
Church?
Yes, if you head out through the back door to the church and go down to the basement, you'll find clean towels folded on the rack. That's where all the laundry is done. Well then, if you'll excuse me, it's getting late.
Alamak. Are you sure?
Good night.
Wait, go. Ah. Okay. Okay. Okay, Moon. Moon.
Ooh, can you hear me?
Yeah?
I gotta go downstairs to grab towels. I'll be right back.
Right now?
She said everyone's asleep. It's the only option.
Just... don't worry about it. I'll air dry.
It's fine, I got it. Just give me 2 minutes.
Please, be safe.
Please be safe. You know what? Be safe.
Okay, Moon, aku turun dulu. Okay. Aku kena pergi church nak ambil tuala. Lepas tu aku kena pergi basement. And semua tu kat belakang. Okay, so let's say if anything happen, inform Okay. TV ni aku tutup tau. Kalau TV dia terbuka ke apa kau beritahu.
Aku tak keluar. Asal masa jam band.
Ya. Papa beritahu.
Okay.
Oh no, the torchlight. Aku lupa torchlight. No, shit. Aku lupa torchlight. Fuck. Kita tinggal torchlight. Okay. Maaf. Church kat situ. Asam merah. What the? What happened? Kenapa? Huh? Hello? Aku tak pernah pergi church. I always had a fear in the basement. Cantik, ada lampu. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, ada orang. Ada orang. No 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 no. Ada orang kat Sophie. Ada orang kat Sophie. Tolong. Berapa ada orang? Aku dengar step. What the fuck? Oh no, I see someone paranormal reading. Let's come scream to him. Fragile. Ya, ada orang kucing aku kat basement. Moon? Moon? Fuck. Aku nak buat something. Is this something? Benda yang boleh pecahkan. Ni. Tak boleh. Semua tak boleh. Shit. Pintu tu kayu je kan? Mesti ada something. Apa ni? Oh no, dia merangkak. Oh, what is this? Shit, aku kena ikut sini ke? Oh no. Ni ada apa? Tak ada apa. No, ada step. Aku dengar ada orang. No. Hello.
Anybody there?
Okay, this is literally not good at all. Aku rasa ini kot jalan keluar dia. Aku dapat toilet. To unlock. Okay. Aku rasa aku dah dapat keluar. Asal banyak keranda ni?
Anybody there?
So aku kat basement mana ni? Oh no, aku lupa beritahu apa yang
The hell were you doing down there?
What was I doing down there? Maybe fix your doors before blaming me. I was stuck getting the towels. Had to make my way out, okay?
Woi, lu siapa? Kepal. Kepala sayang. Mon. Ni aku.
Tahu ke?
Aku. Ni aku. Aku dapat toilet ni. Astaghfirullahaladzim. Wih, kau tak tahu Aku
Benda.
Okay, sekejap. Nah, toilet. Macam mana nak pergi toilet ni? Allah, tercampak pula. Okay, ada good news. Kita ada good news. Sekarang kita ada 2 torchlight.
Yay, good.
Okay, then
Kan
nak
toilet.
sekarang apa? Mana?
My God, are you okay?
Lambatnya.
Yeah. Why?
You texted me.
Oh yeah, the signal down there is terrible. I thought the door was jammed for a second. It opened with a little bit of effort. I mean, you do see these biceps.
So, did you find the towels?
Yeah, let me put them in the bathroom.
Okay, Moon. Okay, aku cerita dulu. Okay.
Dah terbasuh. Aduh.
Asyik cuci tangan ni. Aduh. Tak payah mandi dah bersih lah.
Dia tekan lah.
Mana aku nak gantung toilet ni?
Mana tadi weh?
Oh, sini kot. Oh, ni kot. Okay dah, tu.
Gelap oh.
Ni kain ada. Boleh lah pakai kain dulu daripada tak ada toilet. Menyusahkan lah.
Entah lah.
Dah lah. Mandi lah lu. Bu, okay.
A guy came up here while you were gone.
Who came up?
I don't know, one of the workers or something. And he just he just kept knocking.
Rasa tu dia batuk kat
Open the
telinga.
door.
What? Of course not.
Good.
It was
Ish, aku pun nak buka ni.
Boo. Miss Julia said that everyone was asleep.
Yes.
Oh, man.
What?
I forgot to sign the guest book she asked for.
She said it's by the entrance, right?
Yeah, on her desk.
Okay. I'll go sign it real quick. I gotta grab some water too.
Ah,
My
aku
throat's
ke.
acting up.
You catching a cold again? I can go get it.
No, it's okay. I just need some water.
I'll go. You just got out of the bath.
Marcus, just go freshen up.
You sure?
I got it.
Oh my god.
Okay, my baby.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
Okay, Moon. Kau pergi minum air kat dapur. Okay. And be careful, okay? Aku mandi kejap ke?
Oh, ikut aku lah.
Buka pintu. Aku tak boleh keluar. Okay, Moon. Be careful, okay? Be careful.
Mana dapur?
Dekat F. Aku mandi ni.
Dapur.
Dapur kat bawah. Pusing je nanti kau nampak dapur tu. Dekat dia tempat yang ada peti ais tu. Suspicious lah tempat tu. Tak boleh lah.
A few inches later.
Ada duduk luar. Masuk.
Weh, kau pergi basement mana ha?
You were gone a while.
Baik, basement apa?
Miss Julia stopped me downstairs.
Dengar ni.
She knew you went into the basement, Marcus. Someone saw you coming up.
Okay.
Okay. Lepas tu?
Okay? That's all you have to say.
Lepas tu?
Weh,
What do you want me to say?
Just why?
Awak nak masuk?
Because I stood there and covered for you and I don't even know what I'm covering for.
Sabar.
There was a tunnel
dah.
This one was connected to the church basement. I got locked in there and ended up coming back to the wrong side.
A tunnel? Between the church and this house. But why?
I don't know. I didn't build it. It's an old building. These places have...
How did you even get locked in there in the first place?
I don't know. The basement door just locked behind me on the way up. I didn't even hear it.
That's fucking weird. And what's also weird is you didn't think to tell me any of this.
Aku dah beritahu kan.
I just didn't want to freak you out for no reason, alright?
You keep doing that.
Hai,
What?
kau ni sebut hantu je.
Stop making decisions for the two of us.
Are you
Aduh.
serious right now? What did you want me to do, Tess? Come back up here and tell you about a secret tunnel so you could lose it? With no car?
Aduh.
You've already been on the edge for no reason this whole time.
Kau dah banyak kali
Maybe
gelabah
stop
kau.
reading into things and just let me handle it tonight.
Sedap.
Oh boy.
Okay. Sure. You handle it.
Hey,
Itu
come
pun
on
nak
now.
gaduh kau.
I'm going to bed.
Aduh, relax lah.
Kunci pintu. Jangan lupa.
Dah kunci dah. Auto kunci. Dah lagi tidur lah. Cik gaduh.
Okay, alright. I love you, boo. Good night.
Nah, astaghfirullah.
You okay?
Ni Miss Julia nampak aku tapi tak ada orang pun kat dalam tu, ha? Alamak, tak tahu pukul apa dah ni. No. Aduh, ni benda pula ni. Hello. Hello. Oh, boleh gerak. Hello. Asal tak boleh gerak mouse ni? Hello. Hello. Rumah apa ni? Mon. Apa yang berlaku? Aku dalam apa ni? What is this? Oh, mula pusing. Mom! Benda siap nak kawal ni. Hah? Bedroom mungkin ni? Come as you are. Moon? Apa tu? Rumah? Rumah apa tu? Cantiknya. Aku kena pergi sana ke? Hello? Udah mimpi Moon? Moon? Ah! Dengar. Ah. Moon. No.
Open the door. Boo, I need to tell you something.
We need to go.
Blah 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 blah
Right
blah blah.
now.
Blah sekarang. Dia
Get
dekat.
out. Go.
Dia dekat bilik dia dekat dalam tu almari. Gerak. Dia kejar. Lari. Pintu depan. Wah. Kau ni yang kat Vista Peter 3.
Apa ni?
Follow je aku dah cakap dah follow aku.
We need to go.
Aku
Right
sesat.
now.
What?
Follow aku
Get out.
Aku dah suruh tinggi kat gambar kan.
Dah terlampau tinggi dah ni.
Okay. Follow rapat Sprint je.
They came this way!
Around down here.
Okay, jom. Tak apa, kita dah boleh.
Sabarlah, sabar dulu.
Alright. Follow. Rapat Okay.
Keluar dari basement ni kiri kan?
Kiri, yes. Okay.
Lepas tu?
Lari straight. Lepas keluar kiri, keluar pintu depan, straight daripada tempat kita datang tadi.
Okay, insyaAllah.
Okay, jangan follow aku Sprint tau, follow tau. Okay, aku kira 1, 2, 3. Aduh, mak. Sini. Hai, kau lari pergi rumah tu buat apa?
We need to go. Right now.
What?
Get out. Go.
Oh?
They came this way!
Poking around down here.
Serius kali ni serius
Serius ni.
Okay, kau ada, nice. Ikut suara aku. Sini. Sini. Okay, nice. Sini lagi. Lagi. Depan lagi. Sikit lagi. Us. Itu dia Usain Bolt yang berjaya. Alright. Mun.
Sorok.
Mun. Okay. Cari trailer truck kita sorok dalam tu, aku rasa. Bil? Alamak, Bil. Oh no, sabar. Tunduk kat pokok ni. Hah? Alah! Aduh, benjol pula aku.
Aduh. Lah. No.
Dia main kat situ. Siapa pula tu? Apa tu? What the heck? Ada truck? Huh?
Oh, heard the news?
What's the commotion?
Commotion? Tak apa, boleh cakap. Tak suruh lagi.
Boys of yours couldn't keep it straight.
Let them run. They won't get far.
Get far, Chico.
Hope you are right. This could turn into a problem if we don't find them.
Billy boy, diam ah.
Coming! Heard we already lost one earlier. Wandered in himself. One report might slide. Two?
It's Julia again.
I said I'm coming!
Weh, ni sambungan episod 3. Weh, no way. No way, no, ni ranger mana ni? Okay, come on. Kau macam nak karakter ni pula batuk-batuk. Dia pergi mana? Sekejap, aku nampak dia. Belakang. Okay. Follow aku, just follow aku. Sini Moon. Kat kereta.
Oh.
Hah? Alah! Bye! Betul juga makan ubat. So makan ubat tak dengar degil. Alright Okay, okay. Kita tunggu biar betul-betul clear baru kita gerak.
Boleh. Cuba kira berapa kali kau mati ni. Ni kali kau berapa?
So termasuk kat rumah tadi.
10. Dah settle
20.
Oi, tak adalah sampai 20.
Belas lah.
Yo.
Tak sangka dia buat sambungan. Bagus Fuse Victim ni. Mungkin true story. Tapi dah ambil villain yang sama.
I think so.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, we wait a minute. Kita tunggu belakang pokok ni.
No.
Sebab clearly pokok ini adalah salah satunya safe zone. Rapat tau. Make sure kau rapat tau. Sebab tak ada kita jauh sangat.
Ya, rapat padat dia ni.
Kau boleh ikat terus. Kau naik atas aku.
Boleh.
Okay. Go. Okay, dia patah balik. Okay.
Oh, ya.
Okay. Go. Go.
Tak rapat.
Yeah, nice. Masuk. Diam.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hey! Kau buka dah kenapa?
Tekan mouse tekan.
Jari kau gatal sangat ke kau nak tekan left click tu?
Tak. Bukan. Kau tak boleh buat bising. Mouse aku terjatuh. Aku time nak kutip. Tekan left click.
Mati paling goofy kau. Kita boleh depan sikit lah. Depan sikit je. Tekan daun ni. Dia dah belah. Good time. Go. Faster.
Dah.
I know this isn't the right time. But I love you. God, I love you so much. I should have said it 1,000,000 times. I really should have. I dragged you into this.
Not right now. I love you too. So much.
Get in here a second.
What's the problem?
She's asking for you. Get in here.
Huh?
He's leaving.
Jom. Kereta. Tutup ni. Kau duduk seat belakang pun boleh. No problem. Dah.
Dah.
Ha?
Cuci.
Bye-bye. Sayonara. Full throttle. Saloi kereta ni.
Fuel is too heavy.
Patut buka dia tadi. Alah.
Bye-bye.
Aku lupa balik anak.
Kau lupa. Kau tahu ke?
Tahu. Aku tahu benda tu boleh buka.
Tak tahu pula ada option boleh buka.
Bisa dia boleh hidupkan enjin.
Enjin kita tak rosak pun. Enjin kita just ni je. Leaking eh.
Kita barang kita mahal tu.
Jom.
Cakap saya buat benda ni.
Selamat. Aku freeze. Okay.
Hey. I know this isn't the right time. But I love you. God, I love you so much. I should have said it 1,000,000 times. I really should have. I dragged you into this.
Not right now. I love you too. So much.
Fuck! Get in here a second.
What's the problem?
She's asking for you. Get in here.
Huh?
He's leaving.
Alright, jom.
Jadi gerak.
Dah. Aku buka. Bismillah. Hah? Apa bang? Okay bang, sorry. Oh no. Full throttle.
Hello.
High speed. Diam ah. Otak.
Dia baling.
Ya, tu dia. We barely make it back to the main road before the car gave up again. We were scared that those people were going to follow us. We called the cops and we were rescued to the station. 2 officers went back to the area immediately. We didn't find anything incriminating. It was all we heard back in the morning. At first it drove me insane, but Tess insisted it was not worth pressing on, as nobody called us crazy. The sheriff actually seemed to kind believe us, which managed to creep her out even more. As far as I know, those monsters are still out there in the world. Whatever they want, it wasn't just money. As I wrote this story, I'm well aware of the stupid choices I made along the way. I'm just so thankful we are both here to tell it. Nice game. The best game. The best face to Fatum. The best face to Fatum. Asal patutlah like asal charge masuk tak masuk ni. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. We survived. So yes, kita hidup. Kita hidup.
Kita hidup. Wow. Aku dah fikir mati dah tadi.
The best game ever.
Ya, setuju. Ni baru first time aku main game macam ni.
Bagi aku ni the best lah. Thank you for playing my game. Okay. Weh, sian weh, barang-barang pindah dia semua hilang. Mampus lah, nyawa yang penting.
Aku cakap tinggal je kat rumah.
Nak pindah kan? Baju hilang. Kes hilang. Aduh, aku harap dompet dia tak hilang lah. PAM bila wow, okay, that's it the game. Wow.
3 AM.
Okay Sophie, apa pendapat kau untuk game kali ni?
Dapat. So far so good. Memang good. No so far.
Kau suka okay, apa kau first time main game macam ni kan? Okay, apa pendapat kau first experience kau?
Takut part time nak main seseorang tu. Aku cakap kalau aku tak nak buat boleh tak?
Tak. Itu yang aku rasa tau. Aku main sebelum ni semua tu aku seorang. Kalau no choice. Wah, aku tak expect. Aku ingat story dia ni pasal dia kan dia pindah kan. Aku expect macam oh ni nanti kena kacau waktu dekat rumah baru kan ni. Bukan rumah baru, rumah on the way nak pergi rumah baru. Okay, fine. Okay. Thank you Sophie main aku. Walaupun aku tahu kau penakut.
Alhamdulillah, terima kasih juga ajak aku main. Aku tak tahu game ni wujud. Nah gitu.
Alright. Thank you though.